In this lesson, we will be discussing about what is GitHub, why do we use GitHub, and how do we use GitHub. So GitHub is basically a place where developers collaborate. Now you know that whenever a software is being developed, it's rarely a case that a single developer is responsible for developing the whole of the software. There is always, or in 99% of the cases, there is a team of developers who are working on that particular software. So if there are numerous developers who are developing that particular software, we need a place where all of them can collaborate, all of them can integrate the codes which they have written, and then they can do the testing. So GitHub is a place where all of the developers collaborate. Now on GitHub there are two types of repositories. First one is private repository and second one is public repository. Now in a public repository, anyone without the authorization is allowed to view the source code. Whereas in private repository, only authorized person are allowed to see the source code or maybe even make changes to it. Now let's see how do we use GitHub. So going to your favorite search engine and searching for GitHub. This is the link which will open when you enter github.com. Now, if you are visiting this website for the first time, you will be seeing this page, right? Or if you don't see this, you can click on sign up. Then you will see this page. Here you need to enter your username. It should be unique. It should not have been taken by anyone. Then you need to enter your email address and then your password. Then click on sign up for GitHub and you have created your GitHub account. After you have done that, you need to go to sign in. Now because I already have my account on GitHub, I'll be logging into my account. Now this is your dashboard of GitHub. To create a new repository, go here, click on new. So here your username will be displayed and here you need to write the name of the repository. I am writing C and C++ unschool.in. Now here in the description, it's optional, you can write anything. I am writing this is the description. Now here are the types of repositories which we were discussing about, public and private. Rest all of the things you can leave as it is and just click on create repository. After it has been done, you have successfully created your repository. Now to upload files to it, you can click on this button, upload an existing file. Here you can choose your file. Let's say I am uploading this file. Also here there is no restriction on which type of file you can upload. You can upload a .c file, .cpp file, .pdf, .doc, .txt, any type of file which you want to upload, you can do that. Like here I have uploaded a .html file. Now here if you want you can write some of the description, or if you want you can leave it as it is and then click on commit changes. After you click on it, that particular file will be uploaded to this particular repository. Now this is our unique URL which will be uniquely representing this particular repository. When submitting an assignment, all you have to do, you just need to send this link to us, maybe via an email, and you can write that this is my GitHub link and here I have uploaded all of the assignments. Now if you want to upload more files to this GitHub repository, you can click on upload files, choose your files, choose that particular file and then commit changes. So this was a basic introduction of GitHub. In case you face an issue, do let me know. Thank you so much.